Welcome to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to show you a video that, to be honest, it's so embarrassing and downright pathetic. You have to go see it for yourself. I'm going to play the video right here so on YouTube. I don't know what I'm going to do because the violence that take place tonight, but you don't know knife involved and gun involved, so I don't know what YouTube might do to the video. If them flag it down, I'll post it on the website politicswatch.com. But I'm going to show you a video. I'm going to show you a major part with what is wrong with Jamaican society. When you hear me talk about LEQ crisis, we need to know what I talk about. Because you see, the only thing worse than an LEQ is an LEQ with big title. Just check out this video, because let me tell you, when at first people were describing the video to me, and then me saying what more I see this, because based on how it was, I think to myself, alright, I go see a video with a team of police and soldier, right, that keep down somebody and keep up the most foolishness, and then somebody has stand up for them loved one who will get up. That's what I was expecting, based on the reaction I was getting on first, right? But that's why you need to see things for yourself. So I'm going to show you the video right now and give you my commentary. Check this out.
Right, this is let's speak to that. Yeah. What? Don't do that, young man.
No, what are you saying?
No, I'm not telling you. Police.
No, man, you can't video. Video it. What you are saying? Video it, Jay.
Right, the reason why the police is on the premises.
Yeah.
And the members of the jury.
Video everything.
The member would have seen some suspicious movement. Seeing this young man moving to the side of the house.
Yeah.
Hence,
This is my son.
yes.
17-year-old.
This is the reason for being on
My
the
premises.
Yes.
No suspicious. What was your suspicion then?
The
What exactly?
The soldier
Uh-huh.
would have seen this young man,
Uh-huh.
stepped out and moved back in.
See there? Wrong person. Anyway.
Hence, Sergeant.
Anyway, may I ask you to leave my premises?
First of all, notice his stance. You see him stand up in front of the police, in front of the members of the security forces. You can tell us that him that they had no kind of reasoning from the start. He was not. You can tell us that this was never going to end. From the stance him take, I could tell how the rest of the video go play out. One word come to mind, and I'm going to spell it out for you. Pompous. Pompous. This is a pompous man. So far, the police officer they say nothing or do nothing for warrant the way I'm a deal with the man. What the officer say, in terms of seeing the youth step out and then as him spot the security forces, him step back in, that right there so is the number one signal we go investigate further. That is basic policing, basic military. The man them no do nothing wrong. You hear him response? Oh, 17-year-old, so what? Let me tell you something. This man thinks that him and him pitney them special. This man, a matter of fact, you know what? I'm going to play the rest of the video before I really go into it. Better start hit the dislike button from now, and if I want a friend, call him. Man. Call him and call him friend them counting in for you. Matter of fact, let me finish the rest of the video.
We have no problem.
Okay, I'm want to do it now. My children them, police for 20 odd years. You understand? Senior you.
Yes.
You understand? I don't have no right to my premises. What kind of suspicious move you man move and go there son? No man. Anyway, I don't know who me is now. So you can step out and go on the merry way.
But for your police.
My premises unlawful.
What may I say? For your police.
Alright, Constable. What your name, Constable what?
Constable died.
Sorry, excuse me. I don't put you again.
Come on,
I'm his children, they are in class.
Police.
Thank you. Have a good day. And next time you come here now, alright, don't walk in from my premises. No harder. What kind of suspicious movements? You know the man till them go.
Notice anytime when you see these videos, right, of Pitney behave certain way, I say, listen, which home them all come out of? Only need if you understand why I say it. You see how that man behave in front of the police officer? It was pathetic. And I've been looking at social media and I said, no, I celebrate the man. Right, I laugh and because I know when they get on the kicks, when they see like a police get shame, quote unquote shame, I know when they get on the kick side, it give a little buzz side, the blood now in the vein pump faster. Right. So when they get turned down, right, guy, look, policeman get shame, huh? Yeah man, Tell you something, that man is pathetic. First of all, go to the start. So I'm in front of the man there with him chest push out, knife in the hand. Right now, I give him the benefit of the doubt, so who knows him that peel banana because I can't warm and look with police with knife. And the fact that the police them never even hold them weapon and way if you say like them threaten. Now we give him the benefit of the doubt, so the knife just what I'm paying man because the policeman, if it was done in an intimidating way, the policeman would hold him rifle in a way, and the soldier them would hold him rifle in a way where they would have prepared to do something to him. So based on how them react, we're going to say, well, the knife just what I'm feeling man. But anyway, if certain people have knife in it and I go on so, regardless of why them have knife in them and it probably wouldn't turn out too well. But him still in front of the police with knife in it and chest push out. Like he think he's Clark Kent. Right. Superman. When the police officer said to him, listen, the soldier spot the young man, step out and then step back in. So that is, left my premises. Left 20 years. So, yeah. No who me is. Yeah, we do. A pompous LEQ. That's what you are. A pompous LEQ. Pathetic. And the fact that Jamaicans watch a video like that, right? And I clap and I celebrate like say, the man have sense, show you what you need to know about enough people in a Jamaican society. Because you know what, enough people can relate. Let me tell you about culture. Just give some of them a little bit of power, just a little bit, right? Just give them a little bit of title. You know, if you give them prime minister, you know, if you give them commissioner, you know, just give them a little bit of power. Just move them from one position to the next and watch how them bring out them true colors. How can a man who served 20 years in the police know say if you're there on patrol and see the movement what the officer described, that automatically trigger you if you go investigate further and if somebody walking in the yard, you're walking behind them. I wonder if people realize how does somebody in the police was 20 years and know how the law work? The fact you're there on your private property, right? If something happen, right, the police can investigate on the spot if them have just cause. I forgot the legal term, but if them see something on the spot, them can walk in and go investigate. In the heat of the moment, the security forces don't know who is who for son and who are brother and who are uncle. All them see is a youth step out and step back in. Him now no sign on him head will say, I'm a live here so and I'm a father, I'm just never. Them don't know nothing like that. That is their job, a work, the man them a work. In a film 20 years, Sergeant Pompous would have searched man for less than that. Let me say that again. In a film 20 years of service, Sergeant Pompous would have searched man for less than that. Would have go investigate things for less than that. That is basic. Basic from somebody. When you hear people say, oh, them see somebody at work and they act suspiciously when them see the police and then them search them and find them going, this is what they mean by acting suspiciously. You step out, you see it and you take the next car and all of a sudden. That tells the policeman say, hold on, something right or so because law-abiding people don't normally act like that. Sure, some people get nervous and whatever, but that's the point of going to investigate. Make you see why this person suddenly back in or suddenly take the car or suddenly jump over one wall. That is basic policing. At 20 years him serve, I don't know that him know that, but him think him special. Him think him special and him think him Pitney special. And notice how the police them deal with him and the soldiers them deal with. They were dealing with him with respect. But no point in the video them diss him. He was the only one acting a fool. No, the whole time I was watching the video, me I wait to see the policeman rush him or step to him on some badness. And that me I wait find a car based on the description that me I wait on. The policeman come around and you notice at one point in the video the man to him said, but Sergeant, as a police, him never finish the sentence, but you know what I'm going to say? Him did I go say, as a police, you should know say, I saw the thing work. If you see something like this, you have to go investigate. This is a work, the man them a work as me I say. But enough people can relate to this. Enough people can relate to being a jumped up, pompous fool. Just give them a little bit of power, a little bit of rank and watch how them go on. As me say, I'm hearing these ex-police, so I don't know if I ex are current. Right? But them a refer to him as sergeant, them a show him respect, them not this, them not kick up him son pan the ground, nothing at all. Basically I make him know, so listen, the reason why we come in is because we see the actions of the youth and we come to investigate. This is how a lot of these ex-old police go on. Remember the video with Paro? They want to get pepper spray. Now for them to have no respect for young police. And you see all these organizations, police federation and all these that, only need to stand up for the young police them. Because true enough I want to friendly the older man them, right? No one keep on them out lock, right? The day go come when nobody now go and go join them. I say the day go come, but people are going to think to themselves that it's just not worth it. Nobody now go and go join JSAF. Kind of like them make millions of dollars anyway, right? So not only man have to go and fight with civilians over some, you never see some basic things when they cause when they need no force, lead to fist fight with police and civilian. It's bad enough them have to deal with that. But no, them have to go deal with police 20 years a behave like this. So if him a behave so, what the civilian him to do? If him have the experience and know how the thing work, and would have done, who knows what him doing a film 20 years, for less than that. If him a go on so, what are the civilians expected to do? Because we can't hold civilians to a higher standard than police. If police are going to let them done so no sense, what the civilian him to do? Come out of my yard, and they were showing him respect the entire time. And I want to congratulate, right? Because I know Jamaica stay ready. You see in Jamaica, what the police do and the soldiers them do, them a fool. In Jamaica, him should kick down the, no, nobody like that. You see, you can't win a fight with a idiot. You can't win a debate with a dummy. Just go on. When you see them dip on already, the only thing me call them out for, the police and the soldiers is that, if them need there, for the next ends, then probably wouldn't walk out so easy. If them there on a Lariston or a Jungle, right, or a Dilla, and nobody talk to them so, then probably wouldn't walk out so. That's the only thing me call them out for. Then probably wouldn't just, man open gate and just kindly walk out, then probably wouldn't do that. Right? But, call a speed, you know what this come down to? You see the young police them know, say, if them to rough him up, or counter him, or set up an argument to him, and him go make two call, because this is why I'm going to say probably him have links to the old police them, enough senior police, so young police no want a problem. Them no want him go call him big links them, and next thing you know you're in front of man, and you have to go write statement, what you do, so them just walk out and left him. Right, so avoid the argument, and avoid the foolishness. As me say, remember the Paro case, with the pepper spray? Now you know who I am. Sergeant Pampos, even if you were the commissioner of police, you're not above the law. What the man them do was completely justified. What me say, enough people are celebrate because them get them kicks when them see them things. Right. Them get them kicks, give them a little rush. As me say, enough people can relate. Them can relate to not having to show people respect who are perceived to be beneath you. Right. This go way back in time. Now for the man them who never have to work in the field. Now for the man them who they working at the house, think them superior to the man them that working at the field. Them say that again. Now for the man them back in the day, on the plantation, now for the man them who working at the house, they think them superior to the man them who working at the field. Because them think them have big rank and big title. Right. Was sergeant for 20 years. Pathetic. As I said, the people who see about the back Sergeant Pampos and I talk about, yeah, run him out and let me tell you, as I said, I'm glad I don't have to interact with them upon like in a real life. I'm glad social media is as far as it goes. I'm glad I don't have to meet and live amongst you and see you upon a daily basis. I'm just being honest. You can hit that dislike button and do what you feel like. I'm glad I don't have to interact with people like you in real life. Because when they can relate, I can't. Can't relate to them things. Yeah. The policeman stand up in front time and I talk to him like a man. We just show you, say, brother, we see the movements of the youth. So we just come in. You do you know who I am? You left my property. What that for? That's unnecessary, brother. That's unnecessary. It's pathetic. But Mr. The culture, I can relate that these people love seeing them, love it. All over the place. Give them a little title. Just a little title. Right? Give them a little stripe. Right? Where them say when dish towel turn tablecloth. So the saying go. I cannot believe we just a man was saying the 20 years on the force. Right? And I wanted you to notice something. I'm going to play on a little clip right now. Take notice to that part of the video because no phone would have missed it.
What kind of suspicious movements?
You hear the that's the youth to our video. That's the youth to our video. Who was a little boy for the police, right, and the soldier they met in the yard. And Sergeant Pampos could have said, listen, no man, there's a misunderstanding. I am Sergeant Pampos, right? I am Pampos Senior. This is my son, Pampos Junior. Right? He probably get nervous, he probably scared as I come back in the yard. This could have been dealt with so much better. So much better and done in a way where the youth them can walk with and say, alright, daddy clear it up. But at least we say we know say if we are going to address security forces or people in general, we can show some respect. But instead they hear the boy laugh and skin off in teeth. Right? Because him thinks say Sergeant Pampos, right? Just shame, quote unquote, shame and run to the police them. That is what Sergeant Pampos does demonstrate in front of youth them. So when you see them youth go up on the road and behave certain way, and them act entitled certain way, and them feel like they have to show people respect, and if you see them can do anything them want, and if push come to shove, then just call them parent, you don't know why them behave so. You hear him laugh and a skin off him teeth? Sweet him. Right? Sweet him. This video have a lot of messages hidden, even without the main confrontation. Well, like when you see and study that video, the amount of little hidden messages and innuendos in that video. As I said, you hear the boy laugh, the next one on the grill over there. Right? This is what people love to see. This is what people love to see. As I said, based on my on social media, be a forward him and get people love him. Right? So I hope the dislike button burn up. See, one thing I'm glad about my platform is I've never ever pandered to the crowd. I've never ever pandered to the masses. Because the crowd and the masses why Jamaica stay how it stay. I know Jamaica culture went to the dogs. Matter of fact, I take that back. I apologize to all dogs. I apologize to all dogs. That's disrespectful. Right. Watch the video over and over. Over and over. Watch that as many times as you can. I want to really find at what point the police them or the security forces do or say anything to make the man go on so. And if you feel like say what the officer described, because they hear him counter it, that is suspicious, that is yes it is. And if you are going to listen to that and you are going to hear it and say no, well that is nothing suspicious, that should have then uno need for the sit down and understand nothing when time police make gunman get away. Because in this instance, it was Sergeant Pampos' son. But what happened if in another instance, it was Bad Fran who did step out, spot the police and step back in? What happened in the next instance if it was J-Bad who step out, spot the police and step back in? And then just left him and gone. What did I say? And I said police workless. And I said police now did them job. So it's damned if you do and damned if you don't. As I said, the only thing I would call out the officers for, right, is the fact say, me no believe say if they did a certain place, if they did a certain people yard, they made a stand down so easy. Them wouldn't. Right? Because them know, say, based on how things went down, the law was on their side. They did nothing wrong. Right? They wouldn't just walk out of one yard. Rona, then on town, so. Come on, cost them and run them, but they wouldn't. That's the only thing me that say. Squad should have standing ground. Right. But people are celebrating crack them hand. Yeah, Pampos win. Yeah man, run them man, yeah man, yeah man. Ridiculous. Pathetic. I go watch and see still if not for them big organizations that claim to them support and defend want to see what them are gonna say, because this are police versus police, or well, I don't know if it's ex-police or that means are ex. Right. But police federation, senior officers want to see them are gonna make them junior officers. Take them kind of disrespect them from man just because them in 20 years and have nothing to say. I see them now come out and make them know to listen. Whether you're in the force 10 or 20 years, you need to show respect and understanding and basic common sense to your fellow squaddies. I go watch and see. I go watch and see them messing nothing. Right. Let me say, at this point, we can't blame the amount of man where there's a cut left JCF and go find go work or whatever. Do what them want that. Make them bring back them old police that can work. Make them bring back, since you're 20 years, alright, come do our next 20. Right. Let me say enough man, I go just cut left that. Right. That's just the way. You have all kind of people in the JCF. From the downright brilliant to the downright crooked, right? What me say? The man them who knows that them can do better and would have more opportunities somewhere else, right? The man they are gonna take time, cut left the force. Because if you can't get basic understanding, right, from somebody who in the field and know how the game go, right, and know how them things they work, then how you get it from civilian day after day after day. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.